Hi everyone, and in this lesson we'll be learning about cellular respiration. So, photosynthesis is similar to cellular respiration since the outputs of photosynthesis, which is glucose and oxygen, are used as inputs for cellular respiration. The chemical reaction of cellular respiration is where glucose, a matter input with stored chemical energy, is helped broken down by oxygen, a matter, into CO2 and water, also matter, but also ATP, which is a usable energy source. Parakeets, palm trees, and duckies all do cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is very complex, so I simplified it the best I could. It's the process where glucose is broken down through glycolysis into pyruvate acid, which fuels the Krebs cycle to make NADH and FADH2, which put their electrons into the electron transport chain. The last step, phosphorylative oxidation, is where the electrons from NADH and FADH2 get transferred from the matrix to the intermembrane of the mitochondria, which activates chemiosmosis by an H plus gradient to power the ATP synthase to convert the ADP plus P into ATP, an energy source for when one of the phosphates break off. Sorry if you didn't understand any of that. These are the locations in the weird plant cells where different steps occur. Now obviously, cellular respiration must have a point, and that point is to turn the glucose into energy in the form of ATP, which stores it in its bonds, which powers life processes. To end it off, I want to tell you about the two types of anaerobic respiration. There's lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation is done by animals and humans when they don't have enough oxygen to release energy in dire need. Alcoholic fermentation is where yeast and some bacteria don't need oxygen, but they release low energy. That's all, and now you're an expert on cellular respiration.